You probably heard the news that beginning this year in 2024, you are now eligible to make what is known as a tax-free and penalty-free rollover from a 529 plan to a Roth IRA for certain beneficiaries. Well, if you happen to have a 529 plan with Fidelity, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can process this 529 to Roth IRA rollover. So here is the form that Fidelity requires for you to process a withdrawal from a 529 plan, and Fidelity has updated this form to now allow for a 529 to Roth IRA rollover. So you'd fill in your information, the beneficiary's information, and again, as a reminder, check out my other video on the things to consider before doing this. So you would check here 529 to Roth IRA transfer. And if you're going to keep the account open, then you would leave it open. If it's going to be closing, then you click close account. You would then fill out how much of the assets you're actually requesting. Maybe it's less than what the limit is, which is $7,000 this year for most beneficiaries under 50. And you would check that off. If not, you're going to specify which portfolio you're taking the money from. If you have everything in a target date or age-based investment option, it's going to be relatively easy. If you have multiple funds, you could take it from up to 3 funds that they allow. You're going to skip section 5 because it says here if you're doing a 529 to Roth IRA transfer, you need to move on to the next section. So you'd move over here to 529 to Roth IRA transfer. If it's a Fidelity Roth IRA that you're transferring to, you check that box. If you want to keep your money at Fidelity, you should open a Fidelity Roth IRA for the beneficiary, have the beneficiary open one before submitting this form. Then you'd fill out the Fidelity account number, as well as if you have a Fidelity mutual fund account, you can specify what mutual fund you want the money to go into. If you have a non-Fidelity Roth IRA, then you would check here, external Roth IRA, and you'd put the name of that company, that Roth IRA account number, and their address. You would then go to the bottom of the form, you'd sign it, and you'd send it in to Fidelity. They have a mailing address here at the bottom for regular mail and also for overnight mail. It's literally that easy. The one thing I will tell you that a lot of people fail to do is that when they process a rollover like this, a lot of them forget that they have to invest the money. For most other brokerage accounts, you're going to have to go back in after the money is rolled over and make sure that you purchase whatever investment that you want to purchase, whether that be a mutual fund, an ETF, or an individual security. Hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more.